Some investments want you to trust the process. This one says, trust a tree. But here is the problem. Inflation is eating up your savings alive. Fixed deposits can hardly meet up with today's cost of living. And the stock market, very unpredictable. But what if your money can grow just like a tree? Welcome to Àdàbà Coconut Farm Investments, located in Shakmalama Kingdom, Obafemi Owode, Ogun State. This is where you own real farmland with 60 hybrid coconut plants professionally managed by a professional company from planting to harvesting, and all you need to do is sit back and earn a projected 6 to 12 million naira return on investment annually once these coconuts start fruiting. This estate is backed by approved farmland title by Ogun State government, registered survey plan, and also a deed of assignment. When you invest here, your investment is legally secured because this farm is located in an area that is meant mainly for farming. So your investment is highly secured here. The good thing here is that you don't need any farming experience. You don't need to lift a shovel. Cash-feed integrated services, registered with Corporate Affairs Commission under Agriculture and Land Development Regulations, will manage the process from the planting to the maintenance to harvesting to sales. All you need to do is to hold outright ownership of your land. Every acre here will be having 60 coconut trees, and every hectare will be having 150 coconut trees. A single coconut tree can remain productive for 50 to 60 years. So this is not a one-time investment, rather is an income stream that can pay you even after you have forgotten that you planted them. According to data, hybrid coconut trees can fruit up to 200 coconuts in a year. So let's do the maths together. If one coconut tree can fruit as much as 200 coconuts in a year, imagine 60 coconut trees in an acre. That will be giving you 12,000 coconuts, and at an average price of 500 naira per coconut, that is 6 million naira. And imagine you have it in hectare. 1 hectare contains 150 coconut trees. So 150 coconut trees yielding 200 coconuts per year, that is 30,000 coconuts. And at an average price of 1,000 naira, you are getting between 50 million to 30 million naira yearly. So the projected return on investment is not just a hype, it is data backed. It is also very natural that farming comes with natural risks like flooding, fire outbreaks, or unexpected low yield. Cash-feed Integrated Limited has already put in place agricultural insurance and also risk mitigation measures to ensure that your investment is protected. The honest truth is that this investment is not for investors who are thinking in the now. It's for investors who are patient and thinking in decades, because coconut takes a long time to grow. It takes about 4 to 5 years for coconut to grow, mature, and start fruiting. But the good thing is that once it has started fruiting, these trees can pay you for as long as 50 to 60 years. An acre here is selling at 6.2 million naira all-inclusive price, while an hectare is selling at 15.5 million naira all-inclusive price. With initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can key into an acre, spread your payments for up to 3 months interest-free and 6 months with a little interest. While for an hectare, you start with an initial deposit of 3 million naira and spread your balance up to 6 months. Someone may be asking, why should I invest in a coconut farm? Today, coconut has global use. It's in high demand globally. It is used in the pharmaceutical industry for the production of medicine. Even in the cosmetic world, the oil from coconut is used in producing most cosmetics that we are using today. It is also used in the production of buttons. The buttons we put in our clothes, they are made also from coconut. Even the husks at the back of the coconut fruit is used in the production of mats, things like ropes, even hats, and so many other things. Even in the solar production section, coconut husk is also used. So there's so many. You can see that this is a product that is very much in high demand globally. As a retiree, as a working class, you can key in today. It's an investment that outlives your working years. So this is an investment that stands out. This is one of its kind. here in Nigeria. The better quantity of coconuts used here in Nigeria or eaten here in Nigeria are being imported. So why not you be a part of the people supporting the production, the growing of coconuts right here in Nigeria? You can see that the coconuts are already being planted. Look at them. They have been transferred from nursery and they're already growing. They're already doing well here. So this is not empty promise. This is something you can see that is practical. It is real. So if 1 acre can give you as much as 6 million to 12 million naira annual return once these coconut plants mature and start fruiting, imagine having multiple acres here or having your investment in hectares here. How much return on investment you'll be making yearly from here? Those that make the most of real estate investment are not the ones that are buying in trickles. The ones that buy them in bulk, they make the most of the returns. This is an investment that you'll be glad you did. You can enjoy it all through your lifetime and even hand it over as a legacy to your children. I know that the question that will be going on in your mind now is, how do I start? For you to start now, just call the number that is showing on your screen to let us start the conversation. I'll be glad to guide you through the acquisition.